welcome to another episode. Today's episode is about the best porridge you've ever tasted. Yes, you can make porridge with just not yam. So let's go ahead. If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. Thank you to those who have also subscribed. I really do appreciate it. Thank you for encouraging me on this journey. So we'll be needing some potatoes, sweet potato and Irish potato, ground pepper, some mixed spices, thyme, curry, crayfish, and some seasoning cubes. We'll be using frozen spinach and some frozen stockfish. We'll be using palm oil and some vegetable oil. Please go ahead and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Once again, turn on notification for when I post content every Thursday. Thank you for encouraging me so I can keep posting content like this that will be beneficial to you. So I just go ahead and peel my potatoes, my Irish potato and sweet potato, and then go ahead and slice them into smaller sizes so that it's easier to cook this way. Slice them properly as much as you want, since we're still going to be mashing it up. So just go ahead and slice up everything in your desired shapes and sizes, and that will be all. And then we go ahead and start making our sweet potato porridge, which I'm sure you're going to enjoy if you try this. So if you're going to be trying this, please go ahead and also don't forget to tag me when you try this. So in my empty pot, I pour in my potato mix. I'm going to add some palm oil. I'm going to add some vegetable oil and all the seasoning, the spices, the thyme, the curry. I'm also going to be adding all of this, the crayfish, all of them together so that they can all boil properly. And then our sweet potato is almost getting set for it to taste it. Please, if you still watch to this point, please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to turn on notification for when I post content every Thursday. I'll be posting either a food content or a drink content or a lifestyle content or a DIY. So this is crayfish, thyme, curry, ground pepper. You can use fresh peppers if you want, but I'm using ground pepper in this video. Sometimes I also use fresh pepper. And then I'm adding 3 cubes of my Knorr seasoning. You can use any seasoning of your choice. Just make sure you don't add too much seasoning so the food is properly balanced, since you'll still be adding some salt. And then because we've used some spices, just make sure you don't add too much. So just allow this to boil properly. Once it's boiled, you can then mash it up. If you have a potato mash, you can use to mash it up. If you don't have that, you can use a wooden stick to mash it up a little bit properly. So once this is boiled, I'll just add my frozen stockfish so that it can cook properly and then soak in some juice. And then before I mash it up, I'm also going to be adding the frozen spinach so it can dissolve properly into it. Yeah, I added some salt. Initially, I didn't want to add salt because sweet potato is already sweet, so I just added a little bit of salt so that it can still taste nice. This is my stockfish going into it. I'm also going to be adding the spinach once this is cooked a little. So you can use any veggies of your choice. You can use either the spinach or the ugu. If you have ugu, fresh ugu, you can also do that. So tell me in the comment section, are you one of those who wash up once you are cooking, or you allow your cooking to get done and then you start washing up all of your things that you have used to cook? I prefer to wash off while I cook so that my kitchen is not so busy after I'm done cooking, and I can just sit down, eat, relax for the day. So tell me, how do you like to do yours? Do you wash in between or finish off your food before washing your plates, your cutleries, everything you've used in cooking? Well, I believe if you do it this way, wash in between, you'll be less stressed when you finish cooking. So I just do this in between my meals when I'm washing. When I'm cooking, I do the washing as well. So once my potato is ready, I'll go back to check it. So don't forget to subscribe, turn on notification. When I post, you wouldn't miss any content. Thank you for encouraging me. It's a make me do more in the future. Thank you so much. So we'll just go ahead and check on our potato and see if it's cooked, and then we'll continue the cooking process until it's all set and done, and then we'll be ready to eat our sweet potato porridge. How do you make your sweet potato? Do you make it alone, or you make the Irish potato alone, or you mix it together? If you've tried this recipe before, let us know in the comment section. How was it? How is it? Do you do this regularly? So that it can help new people to also discover the secret in making the best sweet potato porridge ever. So I'll just add in my frozen spinach at this point. It's properly soft, and I'm just mashing it up with a wooden spoon so that it can also mash properly. And then I'll have some whole yam, whole potato, and then I'll also have some that has been mashed into the liquid. So this is what I do, and then I'll just add my frozen spinach. I'm using 2 cubes of the frozen spinach, and then allow it to cook and allow it to simmer properly. I mix it up, I mash it up, and then my food is almost ready. Yummy, delicious. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, turn on notification, share, drop a comment, encourage me in the comment section, and I'll be happy to do more content like this going forward. So my potato is almost ready, and voila, you can go ahead and serve your family, have a taste, adjust the seasoning according to your preference if you want, and then my potato is ready. I added some frozen guinea fowl to it just to allow it soak in some juice before putting it into my meal, and that's it. Our sweet potato and Irish potato is ready. Will you be trying this? Let me know in the comment section. If you've tried this, don't forget to tag me when you try it, and I'll be glad to show the world that you tried my recipe. Thank you so much for showing up, for watching this video till this point. I really do appreciate it. I'm doing this, and I hope you're going to enjoy it. Every time I post a content, you're going to learn something new. This is it saved for me and my family. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching. You can follow me on social media, on Instagram, on TikTok, and I'll be glad to have you. Bye.